Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug. If you're seeing an error like an unexpected error has occurred, your purchase has not been completed, don't worry. This issue is often caused by incorrect billing information, VPN usage, payment verification problems, or temporary payment service errors. Now let's get started. First, close Steam and reopen the Steam client or website. Now try making the purchase again, but avoid submitting multiple failed payment attempts in a short period. Then make sure your PayPal account and billing information are correct and up to date. After that, if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable or completely remove it. Now restart your computer and sign back into Steam. Then try completing your purchase again. If you're using the Steam website, switch to the Steam desktop client. If you're already using the client, try making the purchase through the website instead. After that, check whether your PayPal account is available for use in your country and that your payment method is active. Now, if the error mentions an incorrect billing address or a declined payment, update your payment details and make sure they match the information on your PayPal account. If you're using Steam Wallet funds, verify that the wallet currency matches the currency of your purchase. Finally, if the problem continues, go to Steam support, select the failed purchase, and contact support for further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.